our favorite Irish guy is going to try my no-knead pizza dough. Ready?
Wish me luck.
Hello everyone, welcome back to An Italian in My Kitchen. I am Erica and today I feel like making a pizza recipe. So I thought we could make this together. It's going to be a no-knead pizza dough recipe, which means that we don't need to knead it. Get what I did there? Bad joke. Anyways, moving on. All you need is about 2 hours of your time to make this dough and let it rest, because we still need to let it rest so the dough can rise, but we don't need to knead the dough. You can use this dough recipe to make thick or thin crust pizza, and you can make any kind of pizza that you want. I'm going to stick to margherita pizza because it's one of my favorites. It's a classic and I love my classics. That's what I'm going to make. I'm going to make a classic mozzarella, basil, olive oil, red sauce pizza. So let's go make our dough. We're going to start by making our no-knead dough. And to make this dough, we have to take 1 cup of lukewarm water that we have right in this bowl. And we're going to add 3/4 teaspoons of sugar or honey and stir to combine. Then take a large bowl and add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast. Add the water and start mixing all together. And then add 1 teaspoon of salt and combine it all together. And when it's all well combined, we'll cover the bowl and place it in a draft-free area for 2 hours to rest. Now we're going to take a baking sheet or a baking dish big enough for your pizza dough, and we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan and oil it up. So it's ready for our dough to go in it, and the dough is not going to stick to the pan. Our dough is now ready. It's been about 2 hours since we last saw it, and it has risen quite a bit. It looks really good. So we're now going to transfer it inside our lightly oiled baking sheet and let it rest for another 20 minutes. While our pizza dough is resting, we're going to make the sauce for the pizza. So we're going to take a medium bowl. I have mine right here. We're going to add 1 1/4 cups or 400 grams of canned Roma tomatoes. You can chop them up yourself just to make the pieces a little bit smaller. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and about 8 leaves of fresh basil. And we'll stir everything together to combine. And now we're going to preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. We're going to spread the dough that's been resting in the pan all the way until it reaches the sides of the pan. Top with the tomato sauce that we made earlier. Add shredded mozzarella as much as you want and drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. And when our pizza is nice and dressed, we're going to bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is done. And here we are, ready to try our pizza, our no-knead pizza dough. It smells amazing. Love the way it looks. I did a nice thick crust. I prefer a thick crust to a thin crust. That's my kind of pizza. But I love all pizzas. I don't discriminate. I will eat any pizza. Don't you worry. We are here to try this pizza now, though. So, buon appetito. Oh wow, it is good. Did you see the cheese pull? It's perfect. It's so soft, it's so good, tasty, everything you want in a pizza. And it's even better because we didn't have to knead this. We just had to wait about 2 hours and then it was ready to go in the oven. So we love that so much. We like an easy, quick and tasty recipe here. And yeah, now my hands are all greasy, but hey, we love that as well. If you make this recipe, let me know in the comment section below what you thought of it. As always, you'll find all the ingredients, links and measurements in the description box below. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Our favorite Irish guy is going to try my no-knead pizza dough. Ready?
Wish me luck.
Or?
Buon appetito.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Good? What do you think? What are your first thoughts?
Very tasty, like flavors. Sometimes you eat a pizza and all you taste is cheese.
Okay.
But I'm just getting a lot of flavors, which is very nice. Very nice.
Nice. Thank
10
you.
out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Thank you very much.
Grazie.
Honest review?
Yes. Always.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your pizza.
Thank you. Grazie mille.